Hey, I'm Russ Hoffman. It's a 2004 Cobra. Purchased it in 2017. Interesting, I was overseas at the time. We actually found it through a Craigslist ad. I couldn't go back to the States, so the wife had to come back, took a look at it, and basically did a visual. She knew what she was looking at. I didn't get to actually see the car for another 7 or 8 months. It went straight into storage. I came home on leave, and the first time I ever put eyes on the car, we opened the storage locker, and here it was. You know, and I'd owned several Mustangs. I had a 96 Cobra, but this was the first Terminator. And seeing it, you know, you take a look at it for the first time, it's, yeah, you know the legacy behind them. You know, guys my age, this was our high school dream car. We watched it get released, so was excited as heck. We drove it in Tucson for a little bit, and then actually went back overseas for another year. The car went right back into storage. So really, it wasn't until I came to the Fort Worth area and was able to immerse myself not only in the Cobra community, but really with the DFW group that we have out here as well. So as far as how the car is built, it started off as a VMP car, and then we parted ways with that. It went to a Gen 4 2.9 liter Whipple with a crusher setup, E85 car, right around 24 pounds of boost. Last time we had it on the dyno, I think it was 775 and 731. ARH, inch and 7/8 headers, 3-inch all the way back, Bassani cat back. Motor, we took care of the Achilles heels in it. It's studded ARP 2000s, boundary oil pump. Other than that, motor's still stock cam, stock bottom end, run strong. So drivetrain, T56 Magnum, RXT, lightweight Pedonza flywheel, quick time bell housing, DSS aluminum drive shaft. It's got a drive shaft hoop on it. IRS is still stock, but it does have the full tilt boogie setup. It's got the Ford Racing diff cover, pretty standard as far as that goes. Suspension wise, Maximum Motorsports coilover conversion kit, and H&Rs all the way around with QA1 double adjustable shocks in the rear. And fuel, it's a lethal systems. They're lethal 1400 setup, and ID 1050Xs for injectors. Cooling setup, it's got a P&R trunk tank. It's got a Rule 2000. You may or may not see this on other ones, but I'm still running the stock intercooler pump kind of as a little backup. Future plans is to take it to an EMP setup, 1-inch lines. That'll do that in conjunction with a VMP blower, or VMP intercooler. Still the stock brick for now. Overall, beyond happy with this car. It's reliable as heck. We take it to get groceries, or we take it to hurt Corvette feelings. Hey, thanks again, guys. Thanks for tuning in and listening to me talk about the car. If you're interested and want to see more of it, my handle on Instagram is Hoff04SVT. Take it easy.